Welcome to the Stahls TV studios, where we publish content weekly for tips and tricks on all things heat printing. While you're here, subscribe to the Stahls TV YouTube channel, give us a like, and hit that notification bell so you can get updated on any time we publish new content.
Stahls manufactures an industry-leading line of heat press equipment that not only allows you to capitalize on trends, but also solve challenges to create high-quality, sellable, durable results. We've recently invented the Hotronix 360 IQ hat press that helps you to decorate headwear accurately, even with high-end dimensional logos, whether that's embroidered emblems, leather patches, 3D embroidery, or flex style, which is a cool product all on its own. In this video, what I want to show you is how you can take a Hotronix heat press, like an Autoclam, an Air Fusion, a Stahls Max, a Dual Air Fusion, and you can make that press capable of printing these dimensional logos as well onto apparel items that are highly durable. It all starts with the Hotronix Power Platens. These heated lower platens that are sold in a variety of sizes allow you to heat the garment from the inside out. So effectively, we're creating a heat sandwich, top heat, bottom heat, that allows you to apply thicker logos accurately. The process for equipping your heat press with this power platen is really simple. All you do is unlock the lever on your heat press, remove the platen that's loaded. If you have a Hotronix machine, you probably already know the big benefit of its threadable design with these quick change interchangeable platens. It's best if you have your machine loaded on our counter caddy or our heat press caddy stand in order to use these platens. Now the next step is we're going to drop the power platen in place. In this case, we'll be using our 6x6" platen. If you're just getting started, this is the one I recommend because when you're applying dimensional logos, you're typically not going to go larger than 6x6". Now the platen is separate from the control board, and so we've designed the control board so it connects to your Autoclam heat press. If you're using an Air Fusion or a Dual Air Fusion and you have our scissor cart, you can place the control board directly on top of the countertop beside your press. I'm going to plug in the control board. It does require its own dedicated circuit. Connect the power platen to the control board, and then we'll power it on. At this point, we're ready to program our settings. Now we'll still control our heat press independently of the power platen. The power platen can go up to 315 degrees, and most applications will use 315 degrees of lower heat. Your top heat is the one that varies depending on what you're applying. From 200 degrees up to 430 degrees, you're sure to find the top heat that is required for the application. I find most applications apply between that 200 and that 280 degree mark on top heat. With our platen loaded, we'll let it heat up, and now we're ready to load our garment. Again, the threadable design allows you to split the garment, getting it down to a single layer, which is critical for this application because we want that lower heat to come through the garment to reach the adhesive of our emblem or dimensional logo that we're applying. With the garment loaded, we'll position our design down. We're going to start with an embroidered patch. Now here's one tip. I like to tape the embroidered patch to the garment off of the press because there is no preheat required. So I can lay my full shirt out on a table, I can position my patch or my emblem, I can use thermal tape to get it in place to make sure it's lined up straight, and then it's going to keep things super quick and reduce my downtime when I'm over at the heat press. With my garment loaded, my patch in place, I'll lock down the press for the recommended time, temperature, and pressure. And if you own these heat presses, you know the machine does the work from there. With the Hotronix Autoclam, which is one of my favorite heat presses that we offer, it'll automatically open when it's completed. We have a high-end design that's been completed in just seconds. One important thing that you may have noticed is we do want to use a cover pad when you're applying these applications. These foam cover pads are sold by Stahls, and that allows the pad to embed down into the design to get good contact and not flatten your design when it's being applied, because after all, we're going for the dimensional look. Now for the next application, just to show you a second product on this, we'll use our Flex Style by Stahls product. And this is a 25th anniversary badge that's done in our textured version. Now before we apply this, let me show you some of the looks you can create with Flex Style. You can get metallic results, you can get flat results, you can get domed effects, textured effects, clear effects. This really upgrades any logo and creates that wow factor. So make sure that you upload your logo over at Stahls.com, explore the different design styles that are offered in our artwork uploader. There's only a 25-piece minimum, and so it's very easy for you to complete this really for any client, for any job, as long as you have the right tools. Again, we're going to use our cover pad on top of the flex style design. We'll make sure the settings are set for that application, which is found when you order your transfers or on the Stahls website, and we'll complete it. Again, it will apply, the press will automatically open, and we have a high-end finished result. So it really is that easy to get started printing dimensional logos. You really just need the right tools for the job, the proper settings, and the know-how to complete the applications. Whether it's a Hotronix heat press with a Power Platen or the Hotronix 360 IQ hat press, we're standing by to help you print the latest trends to grow your decorated apparel business. Visit Stahls.com.